In this video, we will learn how to set materials for your 3D models. 1. Materials Gallery. You can see the Materials section here. Rotate the model preview and click on one of the model parts. Now, you'll see its assigned material in the Materials panel. Click it to open the Change Color menu. The material name is birch, so let's find a similar option in the Wood section. Now let's set materials for other parts. If you want to apply the same material to multiple parts, go to Recents. What else do we have here? Bedding parts. Find a nice option. For the pillows, I'll apply a neutral color from the Colors menu. Light green. Looks good. 2. Uploading a custom material. Now let's learn how to apply a custom material. I found this bedding set on Amazon and took a screenshot of the fabric. 1. Select the blanket and click on its material. 2. Click Choose from Gallery and upload an image. 3. Set the scale to 100 × 100 centimeters. Now, let's apply the pillowcase material the same way. I'll also recolor the white parts to black to match the product. 1. Go to Colors and choose Onyx Black. 2. At the end of the Change Color menu, you'll find Settings. 3. I select the Fabric preset. These presets adjust the shine and glossiness for a more realistic render. Click Done and check the model in the room. Three. Mesh materials. You may also need a mask option for partially transparent materials, like a net or mesh. 1. Click Choose from Gallery and upload a .png file with a transparent background. 2. Set the scale to 100 × 100 centimeter. 3. By default, the material appears opaque. Scroll to the end of the Change Color menu, click Settings, then find the Mask preset. Now, the material is transparent. Easy, right?